Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turmeric is a plant from the ginger family that is native to Southeast Asia. Its rhizomes are used as a spice to flavor curries, but it's also used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Rich in a natural phenol called curcumin, which gives it its characteristic yellow color and is a potent antioxidant, turmeric's therapeutic potential is currently being explored by Western medicine. Here are the 5 most important health benefits of this plant. 1. Prevents cancer. Several clinical trials have shown that curcumin can kill cancer cells, prevent them from growing and even stop precancerous lesions from turning into cancer. The research was focused mainly on digestive, skin and breast cancers, afflictions which have much lower rates in countries where people consume large amounts of turmeric every day. 2. Improves heart health. Turmeric helps by reducing cholesterol, improving blood pressure, and fighting inflammation to reduce the risk for heart disease. 3. Mood elevator. Turmeric also offers antidepressant benefits. 4. Painkiller. Turmeric's main active compound, curcumin, is a proven alternative medicine for the treatment of pain. It has been shown to calm arthritic pain but without the potential side effects of traditional painkillers, such as stomach pain, liver damage. Curcumin has also been shown to reduce neuropathic pain associated with diabetes by inhibiting cytokines and even pain associated with depression by normalizing serotonin levels. Millions of people consume turmeric regularly as an important part of their diet. It has been used for thousands of years as a spice and herbal remedy and has recently gained attention in Western medicine. Due to its main active ingredient, curcumin, or diferyloylmethane, turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-carcinogenic properties, which make it a miracle food and supplement. 5. Antioxidant. Age-related and chronic diseases are often associated with oxidative stress due to free radicals. The antioxidant mechanisms of curcumin actually neutralize harmful free radicals and also boosts the body's antioxidant capacity, creating a double-edged sword to fight against diseases. I hope this video will helpful to you. Please, feel free to ask if you have any questions. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.